how to change the wiper blades in your 93 to 96 Cadillac Fleetwood. I am Stephen Wimberley, and this is Working with Wimberley. So I have the old blade here, and there's a clip right here. So for this blade, I'm gonna pull up on this part, push down here. I should be able to slide this off. Here you go. It's the old blade off. I'll get my new one out of the box. This blade is designed a little differently from the one I just took off. So I'm going to lift up on this part right here, and I'm going to slide the pin through and then push down on here, and that should be the end of it. Okay, so once again, lift up here, slide it through, and now just push down. And that's it. I'm going to repeat the process on the other side. So once again, I'm going to pry up here, and I need to push down here, and it slides off. So once again, with the new blade, I'm going to pull up, push the pin through, and then snap it down. Then this job is done. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment. God bless you all.